How to delete chats in Character.ai. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can delete these chats here in Character.ai. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget you're going to be able to find Character.ai website and sign up links in the description of this tutorial. So basically I have started these two chats with Elon Musk and Mario from the Super Nintendo 64, and what I must do is tap or click on see more. There you have the option to edit, and here you just can click on the X and the chat will be deleted. Now, if I go into the chat, there are three dots in the top right corner of the chat. You can remove the messages, but even if you delete all these messages, you are gonna be having the chat anyway. So remember, just tap in see more, edit the X, and in that way, you are not gonna have more chats here in character.ai. Thanks for watching.